Hey guys, welcome back to the series of shell scripting for the beginners. Till now we have seen if statement and the for loop. In today's lecture we will cover the while loop statement, which is the iterative control statement. While loop is also similar to the for loop, which iterates n number of times until the condition is true. The difference between for loop and while loop is the iterator is incremented internally for the for loop, while in the while loop you need to increment the iterator explicitly. So let's see the syntax, and we will again write the code for the multiplication table using while loop, and we will see how we can use this while loop. So first we will see the syntax. The syntax is while, in square bracket you need to write the condition upon which, if that condition is true, you want to execute the for loop. Do and done. So this is the do indicates the start of the while loop, while done indicates the end of the while loop. If the condition inside this square bracket is true, then this while loop is executed. So let's write the code for the multiplication table. We will take the input from the user, enter number and read num. So this is the number whose multiplication table you want to print. We need a iterator also, or the condition. So I will initialize I with the 1 value, and we will use this variable I in the while loop, and we will increment this I till 10. From 1 to 10 we will increment the I value, and we will multiply this I value with num variable to print the multiplication table. So let's see, while in square bracket, while $I less than equal to 10, this is the condition. While i's value is less than equal to 10, now the value is 1, means this condition is true. If condition is true, then execute the statements inside this do and done. So what we want to write here, we want to print the multiplication table using $I into $num and the dollar sign before the parenthesis. So here we are printing the multiplication table, and we need to increment this value explicitly, so that at certain point this condition will be false and control will be come out of this while statement. Because if we do not increment the I value, every time I is less than 10 means I is 1, and every time it is less than equal to 10, that's mean this condition will be true always, and this while loop will never exit. So we need to increment the value. And how we can increment the I value, just I plus plus, and we are done. So we are taking the number whose multiplication table you want to print, a iterator I whose value is initialized to 1, and it will be incremented till 10, and here we are printing the table. So let's see the output. Enter the number, let's say 5, and here you can see the multiplication table of the number 5. Again execute, and let's say 11, you can see the multiplication table of number 11. So this is how we can use this while loop. Let's see the behavior if we do not increment the I value here. So it will go into the infinite loop because that condition is always true. Let's see here, I is 1, and we are not increment the I, means all the time i's value will remain 1, and 1 is always less than 10, means this while loop will always execute and it will print 1 into 3, 1 into 3, 1 into 3, means 3 value is printed infinitely here. So incrementing the iterator value is mandatory in the while loop, otherwise your code will run in the infinite loop. So this is how we can use this while loop in the shell scripting. See you in the next lecture with another control statement. Thank you.